Next project. Thank you for joining me on another video. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a little bit. Been very busy with work and other BS that I had to do around the house. My next project is this 7.3. This is my work truck, the flatbed OBS. What I'm going to be doing on this one is the fuel bowl delete. Getting rid of this sucker so there's plenty of room to work on it. As you could see in my previous videos, by removing this fuel bowl, you have so much more room to get to anything. It's definitely a plus if you work on your own trucks. What I'm going to be doing is doing the electrical fuel pump on this sucker. The other one has the mechanical delete. Very simple kit to install. Very good price. It's the cheapest one you'll find around. If you want to check out the link, it goes to his eBay store. I promise you, you will not find a better price. Check out the link. He's got other parts for OBSs and newer 7.3s. But we've been talking back and forth, and he's a very good diesel mechanic. He's not just some average Joe, thinks that diesel parts are cool and he's making a living at it. He's a real diesel mechanic. If you have any technical questions, you can ask him. He will get back to you. But this one, we're going with the electrical fuel pump. It's a little bit more time-consuming kit that is going to take longer to install. There's a lot more parts that are going to be added. I've seen only parts of the kit that he's putting together. He's going to have it ready hopefully by this weekend. I'll be doing a delete over the weekend. If he does have it ready, I'll try to have a video posted by the middle of next week to show you the setup. Again, this guy's going to put a kit together that's got the best parts that he can get his hands on and also at the best price. Again, I'm not bullshitting you. Check out his prices. You're not going to be able to beat them. Check out the link. But yeah, I'll get the video posted ASAP as soon as I get the parts in my hand. And also I'm going to do a little comparison to see if I see a difference between the two motors. One with the mechanical pump and one with the electrical pump. I'm pretty sure the one with the electrical pump is going to be a lot smoother running motor. Power-wise, I'm not sure. Never had both setups to compare, but we'll see how it goes. The only difference is this is an automatic. My other 7.3 is a 5-speed with the mechanical setup. But yeah, I'll see how it goes. I'll post a video, see which one I like better. But stay tuned, and I'll post a video as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.